Alright everyone, so I have another video here for you. If I sound a little strange, it's probably because I am feeling a little bit under the weather, but I am here for you guys nonetheless. So, 6 tips for improving your technical analysis. This was actually inspired by one of the guys in the Discord group. He wanted me to give him some tips, and I think this is a great video idea, especially for everyone that's struggling with their technical analysis currently. And especially if you're a new trader, I know you're probably more than likely having problems with analyzing the charts, so hopefully this will help out a little bit. So for the first one is understand and compare other people's trades. Analyzing trades made by successful traders can provide insights into their strategies, risk management, and decision making. How do you apply this? Well, follow experienced traders, whether it's on social media, trading forums, or join trading communities to see what trades they make and why. Compare their methods with your own to identify strengths and weaknesses in your approach. So me, I have been getting into the habit of trying to upload more, whether it's on my live streams or on my Discord. I've been trying to add more charts, some trades that I took, some trades that I didn't take or should have taken, trades that I shouldn't have but I did, stuff like that. And then you guys can compare it to your own markups, or you guys can just take a look at why I chose to do what I did, right? And maybe it'll help you guys out. And hopefully it'll also help you with maybe if you have some fear of entering the market. You can always reference to my trade ideas when I share them and see if they match up somewhat with what you have going on, right? So the next thing is backtest and journal your trades as much as you can. Elaboration. Backtesting involves applying trading strategies to historical data to see how they would have performed. Journaling involves keeping a detailed record of your trades, including reasons for entering and exiting trades, emotions, and outcomes. This helps you refine your strategies and learn from past mistakes. An example would be after a month of trading, review your journal to see patterns in your successful trades and common mistakes, then adjust your strategy accordingly. So yes guys, I cannot emphasize backtesting enough. You must backtest, and the reason being is kind of what I explained earlier in one of the live streams that I did. Let me actually pull up what I told one of the guys on here. Okay, so I actually found it. So he was asking me if I had any tips for gold, and this is what he said. My problem is I miss many opportunities as the price sometimes doesn't reach my zones. Last trade I won with gold was 2 weeks ago. So this was my response. I said it's because of your strategy. This is completely normal, especially if you're trading only one strategy on one pair. Sometimes on one of my strategies, I won't get a setup for a month, and that's okay. I have multiple proven strategies to help me deal with that, which I have shared. I'll probably make a video on this. And his response was, should I look for multiple pairs then, such as Euro USD or GBP JPY? I responded, find pairs that align with your strategy. If possible, backtest each pair thoroughly to see which works best. For example, you might favor Euro USD, but backtesting could reveal that your strategy doesn't perform well with it. See what I mean? So, ladies and gents, this is specifically why I emphasize backtesting so much. All that time you would have wasted live trading or even money could have been avoided if you just would have backtested. So backtest, journal everything down. I am going to make a video with my own personal journal. If not, I'll probably just share one that I already have down in the description below. I just have to make sure it's completely done. But at some point I will make a journaling video. Okay, so keep an eye out for that. Mark up your charts every day. Regularly analyzing and annotating your charts helps you recognize patterns, trends, and key levels that influence trading decisions. For example, each day review your charts and note important indicators like support and resistance levels, change of character, breaks of structure, and any other elements that could inform future trades. This practice builds familiarity with market behavior. Guys, I will tell you a big secret that I learned that really helped me improve my trades, and it's actually just marking up my charts. Like literally mark up your breaks of structure, mark up your changes of character, mark up whatever it is that you need to mark up. I mean, you might be able to see it yourself and say, oh, that's a break of structure. But there's something about marking it up that just, like, I don't know what it does. It just does something to, like, I guess it makes you feel more confident or whatever. I don't know. All I know is that every time I marked up my charts, it did something to my trading and it vastly improved it. So please mark up your charts. When I mark up my charts on the live streams that I do on Sundays, on Sunday nights, I don't always do them, but on my live streams you can check them out. Mark up what I'm marking up, and if not, mark up your own charts your own way. And if you want, you can even send them to me in the Discord and I'll take a look at them. Okay, so take advantage of that, guys. Everything that you need to be successful is literally at your fingertips. I'm giving everything to you here. Okay, I'm not holding anything back. I'm not selling anything to you. This isn't going to lead to some sales pitch. It's not. By the way, join the Discord, like and subscribe. So it's not, okay? It's not. Just do what I'm telling you. Mark up your stuff, and if you want, send in your charts. All right? Now, the next part that I want to talk about is demo trade, live for at least a year. Demo trading allows you to practice your strategies in real time without risking actual money. This helps build confidence and refine your techniques. Use a demo account offered by most trading platforms to trade live markets with virtual money. Treat it seriously and document your trades to learn from successes and mistakes. Document every single trade. Don't BS yourself. Don't say, oh, this was just a little test trade. Even if it was a test trade, you mark it up. The moment you start marking them up, that's the moment you'll start taking them seriously. Even if it was a lucky trade, or even if it was a trade that you used to deviate from your plan, I don't care. Mark them all up. Mark it up and write down why you opened that trade. Okay? And I promise you, once you start seeing, well, you know what? You'll tell yourself something like this: I do know how to trade. It turns out I know what I'm doing. I just need to get my psychology in order, or I just need to start trading during this time frame, or I just need to start doing this or that or whatever. Point is, most of you actually already know how to trade. You just need to refine what it is that your mistakes are. Journal your trades. Do whatever it is you have to do. Open up a spreadsheet. I don't care. Look up, I think Trader Casa. I'll link them down in the description below. They offer free back testing, and I believe they also offer journaling. I don't know if the journaling part is free though, but you can also journal through there. And yeah, guys, every live trade that you do, demo or not, mark it down. I am serious about this. Mark it down. The next part is ask questions. Please, guys, I have a Discord. Ask questions. I have a specific area where you can ask the questions you want. Please ask me questions. I don't care how dumb you think they are. I don't care. I want to help you guys. I genuinely want to help you. Put them in the Discord. Reach out to me on there, or reach out to me when I'm live. Point is, ask your questions, even leaving them in the comments down below. Whatever it is, just ask it, okay? This is between me and you, not anyone else. Me and you. Alright, so asking questions helps clarify doubts, gain deeper insights, and learn from others' experiences. Engage actively in trading communities, forums, and social media. Don't hesitate to ask experienced traders for explanations on their strategies, market interpretations, or specific trades. By the way, guys, I might give you a different answer from what another trader might give you. That doesn't necessarily mean it might be wrong. It's just trading can be very subjective. So one way I might see the market, that person might see it differently. Okay, but I will always try to give you a reason as to why. Now, lastly, my biggest thing here is to never ever give up. In Galatians 6:9. Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Ladies and gents, I see this day in and day out. People that are so close to giving up. I gave up at one point, and the only reason, and I thank God for this, and the only reason why I came back to it is because I had no other choice. I literally had no other choice, and it was do or starve. So I decided to do. I did what I had to do. I stuck to it. And I finally taught myself how to trade. And there are so many people out there that I have met throughout my trading journey that have been trading for even 4 years and they didn't give up. I've seen people trade for 6 years trying to teach themselves how to trade for that long and they didn't give up. All these people are now funded traders and they don't work for anyone else because they didn't give up. Now some of you might say, well, I'm not gonna wait for 6 years. I'm not gonna practice that long. I'm not gonna give it this long of a time to learn it. Well, then you clearly never wanted it as bad as they did. Because let me tell you something, time will pass by and it's up to you to do something with it. It's going to pass by whether you like it or not. You might as well take advantage of it. So please don't give up. Some of you are so freaking close, and you're about to give up. And you're about to give up all because you choose not to follow instructions. Seriously, I'm giving you what you need and you still choose not to do it. I'm telling you, fix your psychology, write things down, ask questions, do this, do that, and yet you don't do it. You don't do it. As a matter of fact, you deserve to be broke. You deserve to have that crappy life you have right now because you don't want to do anything out of what you're used to doing. You don't want to do anything else. You'd rather keep repeating the same cycle. You'd rather keep opening trades you shouldn't be opening. You'd rather keep deviating from your trading strategy that you spent all that time putting together and backtesting. You keep doing the same crap over and over and over again. You know what it is you need to do to fix it, and yet you keep doing it. So yeah, as a matter of fact, stay where you're at. I don't want people that are constantly complaining, people that are always crying about the market did this, the market did that, oh, the markets are rigged. Bro, who cares if they're rigged? Who cares? I don't care if they are rigged. People are making money out of this. I'm making money out of this. Who cares if they are rigged? I'm glad they're rigged because that means there is a pattern to this. And yet, you still complain. You're still complaining. Do something about it. Like I said, I'm giving you the answers, guys. I'm not charging you a freaking dime. And yet, you're still at the same place you are at. I don't know what to do here, guys. I'm trying my best to help y'all out, but y'all not listening to me. Y'all are not hearing me. Y'all not listening. I'm laying down some serious stuff here, y'all. And yet, y'all choose to not listen. Please, guys, don't give up. Don't give up. At some point, it will pay off. I don't care how long it takes. It all depends on how consistent you are. My brother, he came up to me one day and he had bought a guitar. He wanted to learn how to play guitar. And I'm going to try closing it off with this. He came up to me and he said, hey man, do you think that I'll be able to learn how to play this at some point? And what I said to him just came out of nowhere. I said, I don't doubt your ability to do something. I doubt your ability to be consistent. And that right there struck us both like, whoa, wait a minute. Let me think about this. Guys, you all, every single one of you that is listening to me, all of you have the ability to learn whatever it is you want to learn. It is not a coincidence that you're hearing this. Everything to statistically and mathematically line up to where you're hearing this is not a coincidence. Guys, you can learn anything you want as long as you're consistent. Slow motion is still motion. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna leave y'all with that. Let it marinate. Let it sit in your mind. And whatever you do, guys, whatever you do, do not give up. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.